Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Necessary Evil Protection Spell and a Gothic plate. I started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and this is a Necessary Evil's Protection Spell. It was from the Polish Pickup Rewind. This is a gorgeous blue jelly with all sorts of sizes of red metallic glitters. And I think the combination is just over the top cool. I am so happy that I was able to get my hands on this one. I am going to cap my free edge here. Dun, da, 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 get that done. And here we go with the second coat of Protection Spell. I don't know. Something about those red glitters in there against that blue jelly background is just singing to me. And we are going to do a third coat because it's a jelly. And in my swatch photo, you will see a little bit of visible nail line. Didn't bother me a bit. There we go. Get that glitter back on that nail. I'm going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get this one to dry down so that we can do some playing with that Gothic stamping plate from MoYou London. So excited. Oh, there we go. Going to cap the free edge again. Oh, gosh, blurry. So here's my swatch photo. And this is MoYou London. And this is the Gothic Collection 04. I wanted to use it for Halloween, but I didn't get a chance. So I decided I'm going to go in and use it anyway. There were a couple images on here that are not necessarily Halloween. It's Gothic. And I like it. So I decided to go ahead and use it. I did clean it off with acetone. And here we go. I'm going to be using Frozen from Maniology. My Maniology cube stamper and the little scraper. And I'm just going to fess up now. I love this image. Oh, I got a fuzzy. Hang on. I loved this image. And I wish I would have done it on all of the nails. I ended up doing an accent nail with a different image. And in my mind, it was a big mistake, but it's okay. This image looks fantastic over this color. Love it. So I'm going to repeat that on some other nails. First, I'm going to clean off the stamper on a lint roller and clean that plate with some pure acetone. And we're going to just plop along. Get this image again. Grab it. Roll it. Mush it under the nail. Oh, that's so pretty. So I'm going to do this for the pinky nail. And then we'll get to this, tragedy that is called my accent nail. I'm just playing, y'all. It's really not that bad. I am going to change to my monocle stamper for this image. I tried to pick it up with the cube stamper and I wasn't having a lot of luck. Turns out it wasn't the stamper. It was just the wrong image for what I was wanting. And I missed part of the side, so I'm going to have to go in and kind of patch that up a little bit. And the thing about it is it really just covered up too much of the polish, and that's the only reason I wasn't crazy about it. It's okay, though. I ended up liking this manicure enough to wear it for 7 days, so obviously I wasn't hating on it. I just wished I'd gone with the same pattern on all the nails. I'm going to pop in here with some acetone with some acetone additive and a cleanup brush and just tidy up that edge a little bit, kind of clean that up, get whatever I can off my skin, and there we have it. I'm going to top this with some of the smudge free top coat from Maniology. I love this stuff, and there we go. So I'm going to let that dry down, and when it's dry, I'll be using Moonshine Manny's Let's Go Quick Dry Top Coat. And I do love this stuff. This one especially because it smells like coffee. Here we go. Going to cap my free edge again. Alrighty, we are done. So here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.